Hey there, guys. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. I was in a rush. I had a good summer vacation. Anyway, this is Stilton, Mossy's pet bird, and I'm also here with my cousin Jillian.
You want to take me home? I'm gonna ride. Let's get your ride.
Anyway,
okay,
this bird.
Let me get.
What?
Let me get the bird to Will, and then Will, you're gonna hold it while I record you a second.
All right.
So this is Stilton, everyone. He's a nice bird.
He is very young. He barely knows how to speak.
He knows how to fly. He barely knows how to fly, but he's very sweet.
He is a very good bird. He really likes me. He really likes the cousins.
So look, put him down. Number one, put the bird down. Number two, you either go like this, or this. Step up, or you go like this. But if he's still on the floor, you can't pick him up. Just scoop this, and then you add the bird.
Yep. Upsy, come on, Upsy. Here. Good boy. Oh, here, it's okay.
Here, I'm gonna take the bird real quick. Well,
all right.
Well, go get the glove on. I got the camera.
Okay. Come on, take the camera. I get the glove on. Wrong finger.
Oh,
sorry. Hold on.
All right.
I'm back.
Here, I got it.
Oh,
Here, give it the camera.
here, take the camera. Anyway, this is Stilton. He is we already addressed that.
So he's really young and he really loves a lot of people, but you can't fly it.
He is a very peaceful bird. He barely knows how to fly, but he is very peaceful.
If you think he bites, he does not bite. All he does is nibble. So,
he just nibbles. He doesn't bite. It doesn't really hurt a lot. And he also really likes fabric.
Yes, he does. Well, or you could just hold him on the hand.
Yeah.
Oh. If you all love Fortnite and the Boogie Bombs, leave a comment down below.
But, Jillian, does anyone play Fortnite anymore?
Everyone still plays Fortnite, Will. It's season 10.
Do you mean season X?
X10. Now we have to restart.